System designers in fields like industrial, medical, and telematics face an ever-growing list of application requirements, while development times continue to shrink. That's why at NorComp, we go beyond standard connectors that meet basic specifications. We specialize in designing custom connectors and cable assemblies quickly, efficiently, and affordably. Building on over 5 decades of experience, NorComp invests the time and effort to understand your specific application requirements and explore a range of potential solutions. With our deep expertise and lean business model, we have the flexibility to respond rapidly to challenges and ensure your project stays on track. Our breadth of manufacturing capabilities includes CNC machining for precision and quality contacts and housing, overmolding for increased IP ratings and durability, thermoplastic and thermoset injection molding, and much more. Plus, we optimize our manufacturing processes for flexibility, enabling us to accommodate both large-scale production runs and small customized orders. That means we can produce precise, high-quality custom connectors at a low MOQs. Do you need a unique combination of power and signal pins? Or maybe an upgrade to IP67, IP68, or IP69 rated sealing? Our expert team can provide your custom solution with minimal or zero impact on production schedules. Do you need to go beyond an individual connector? NorComp also offers expertly engineered custom cable assemblies, designed to meet specific application requirements. Whatever your complex connector needs, NorComp's commitment to quality ensures reliable performance with reduced lead time and unmatched customer support. Visit norcomp.net/custom-connectors to learn more.